See now guys, and that's the reason why I'm fascinating. If you guys did not check it out, I have my Mavic Air, my DJI Spark and my Mavic Pro on the extreme condition wind, and you guys can see that too also. So if you guys have not seen that one, go check it out. It's Hurricane, first active track ever. Don't even need a pilot to do it, you know, just me and controlling it myself and the push of the button and do everything for me. So anyway, that's how I got fascinated with drones. And back in the past, drones can't even follow you. You only got like a 10 minutes flight time. You know, you gotta put a GoPro, heavy GoPro in there, you know, and you just wishing that drone will come back where you set it up at. And most of the time it'll go fly away. And drones back then was not cheap, was expensive. You know, the camera was separated. You gotta buy the drone and then you gotta buy the camera next. Not like now, it comes with everything in one. So you don't have to search what kind of GoPro you need or what kind of camera you need for that drone, what recommended for that drone. But anyway guys, that's what I'm all about. But say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Like I said, I do extreme reviews, and you can see all some of my videos. I'm actually kiteboarding, following me, but just letting you guys know. So I mean, think about it. You're in the middle of, I'm in the middle of the ocean like that guy over there. You know, look at him. You know what happened if you have a transmitter in your hand? It get wet. So if the drone lost contact or lost connection or low battery, just gonna return to home. So you don't have to swim your ass off going back to the shore and making sure that your drone is fine and no one got hit in the head with it, and or not broken parts or anything else. But anyway guys, like I said, man, check into my channel. That's what I'm all about. That's the reason why I'm doing extreme reviews and all this kind of stuff. The reason why I'm flying the drones in the rain. You know, I already know what drones can do. I already know drones got a good cameras. I already know they got a good performance. But what else can he do? What else in the, you know, horrific condition? Like right now in Hawaii, you know, with the volcanoes and lava and all that kind of stuff. I think everybody should have a drone out there so they can see miles away where the lava is going, so they won't get their ass burned. I think it'd be good to go, you know? I think everybody should have personal drone. It's the new thing now.
Yeah.